of getting away. Says I don't know, ain't no better time than now for Mexico. No shoes, no shirt, no problem. Blues, what blues? Hey, I forgot 'em. The sun and the sand and a drink in my hand with no bottle and no shoes. Sharing the sand by the sea. Wanna look through my shades and see you there with me. Wanna soak up life for a while and lay back alone. Oh, Joe's got a boss way. All the keys escaping. He swears since the day he nothing but it. When the sun's at his back and the wind's in his face, it's just him and the wind. He wouldn't take a million for the way it makes him feel. Vessels of freedom, harbors of healing, Newport where John's held, he lost his wife Joan. Now 40 feet of sail, where old John comes home. He watched his life pass before his eyes in the middle of a hurricane. Came out alive on the other side. That's where the other side got its name. Vessels of freedom, harbors of healing. Sitting at his desk alone and depressed, says it just can't be my fate. Went home that night and told his wife, you can tell all your friends. It's been real, but it ain't been fun. Gonna get us one of them. Vessels of freedom, harbors of healing.
never meant to leave you hurting. I never meant to do the worst thing, not to you. 'Cause every time I read your message, I wish I wasn't one of your exes.